Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 27 August 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 7, the food we eat. The food we eat. Let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video, after complete explanation of the chapter, student, we are doing the book exercises of the chapter 7, that is question number A, tick the correct answer. This question we have already completed in our class, in our book, because book exercises, student, we have to complete in book only. So this question we have completed. After that, question number B, name the following. We have to tell 2 energy giving foods, 2 bodybuilding foods and 2 protective foods. So this question also we have completed in our classwork in our book. Now we will start with the third question. Circle the odd one out. Question number C. Circle the odd one out. Question number first, banana, sugarcane, nuts, potato. So circle the odd one out. What does it mean, student? Circle the odd one out. What does it mean? It means that this is the name of a different foods is given. Okay, this is the name of the different food is given, and as we know that there are, when we are talking about the nutrients, then nutrients are divided into, as we know that when we are talking about the nutrients, so nutrients are divided into 5 groups, that is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. So these are the name of the food is given and we have to choose which is the odd one. Okay, for example, sugarcane, nuts and potato, these all are which type of these foods are rich in which type of a nutrients, that is a carbohydrate. All these food, that is sugarcane, nuts and potato, they are rich in which nutrient, that is a carbohydrate. And this is a bananas, this is a fruit, and from fruits and vegetables they are rich in vitamins and minerals. So that is the reason out of these 4 food, the odd one out is the banana. Okay. Now next question, spinach, lettuce, gram and cabbage. So again, this is the name of food item is given to you. Now we have to choose the odd one out. Now we have to choose the odd one out. So spinach, lettuce and cabbage, these all are the vegetables, leaves which we eat, and so gram is the odd one out. ठीक है, ये क्या है, इसमें हम लोग सीड खाते हैं, बाकी ये सब क्या है, लीव्स हैं जो हम खा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो दैट इज द रीजन दिस इज ऑड वन आउट. नेक्स्ट है मिल्क, बटर, एप्पल एंड चीज. So in this food, see student, all are milk and butter and cheese. These are milk products. Okay, butter and cheese, how we make with the milk. So all these are milk product. But here apple is the fruit. Here apple is the fruit. So apple is the odd one out. Is it clear? Next is the juice. Fourth one is the juice. लस्सी, almonds, and lemonade. ठीक है. So in this student, all are juices which we drink. For example, you can say this may be juice of anything, any fruit, किसी भी फ्रूट का जूस हो सकता है. लस्सी इससे मिल्क प्रोडक्ट है, ये भी जो कर्ड बनती है आपकी दही उससे बनेगा. लेमनेड नींबू पानी. ठीक है. और इसमें एलमंड्स क्या है, ये ड्राई फ्रूट्स में आते हैं. ये एलमंड्स किस में आते हैं बेटा, ड्राई फ्रूट्स में आते हैं. तो बाकी सारे जूसेस हैं जो हम ड्रिंक करते हैं, तो इसमें एलमंड्स क्या है, ऑड वन आते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर A, B, C, now we will start question answer of the chapter. What are nutrients? Question. First of all, we will write answer the following questions. Question number B. Answer the following. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are nutrients? So let's discuss first of all what are the nutrients. So student, nutrients are the substances which are very essential substances which are present in the food, and we get these nutrients by eating different types of a food. Is it clear? Nutrients are the substances which are present in the food, and we get these nutrients in our body by eating different types of a food. What does it mean, student? It means that our body cannot make these nutrients. ठीक है, इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ बेटा हमारी बॉडी न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं बना सकती. सो हाउ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंटर इन आवर बॉडी? द न्यूट्रिएंट एंटर इन आवर बॉडी बाय ईटिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ए food and the five main nutrients which are required by our body. Okay, the five main nutrients which are required by our body are carbohydrate, fats, that is known as energy giving food also, and then protein, that is known as bodybuilding food, and then vitamins and minerals which is known as protective food, which is known as protective food. So now note down the answer in your classwork copy. Nutrients are the substances that provide nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and growth. See student, these nutrients are very important for the body. These nutrients are very important for the body. For example, we do lot of activities in our day to day life. हम अपने day to day life में बेटा बहुत से activities करते हैं. Even you do study, you play different types of games. So how the energy comes? So we also required energy, and that is the reason carbohydrate and fats are known as energy giving food. In the same manner, our body growth, there is a growth in our body also. हमारी body की growth होती है, हमारी development होती है. So this is possible due to the nutrient, that is the protein. And our body also suffer with different types of diseases. So vitamins and minerals are required by our body to fight against these diseases. Okay, vitamins and minerals are required by our body to fight against these diseases. Okay, that is the reason these nutrients are very important for us. These nutrients are very important for us. Why do we need food? Question number 2. Why do we need food? So see student, why we need a food? See, our body is also like a machine, okay, but it is a wonderful living machine. So to perform different types of activity in our day to day life, we also required energy. We do lot of things in our day to day life, okay. Even energy is required for study also. For small children, for playing different types of for playing different types of games. So how we get this energy? So student, we get this energy by eating different types of a food. That is the reason it is in the question why we need a food, because food give us energy. Okay, now the question arises why we need a food. So the answer is that we need a food because the food gives us energy to work, because we do lot of activities in our day-to-day life. So that is the reason we required a food, because food give us energy to do different type of a work. Another importance of the food is that it help us to grow. For the growth and development of our body, okay, for the growth and development of our body, we require the food, and due to food our body is fit and healthy. ठीक है, हम हेल्दी रहते हैं, बीमार नहीं पड़ते हैं. And this is also due to the food. If you eat a balanced diet, which I have already explained you, a diet which contain all the nutrients in a right compound. For example, carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals, along with the water and roughage. So such a diet is known as a balanced diet. Okay, so that is the reason the food is very essential for our life. So note down the answer. We need food because food we need a food because food give us. Now we will write what are the things which we are getting by eating the food, because food give us, first point, energy to work. Okay, second point, help us to grow. And third point, keep us healthy. Keep us healthy and strong. Okay, we need food because food give us energy to work, help us to grow, keep us healthy and strong. So this is the reason why we require the food. You can take a screenshot. Now question number 3. Question number 3 in the book. Why should we drink 8-10 glasses of water every day? Why should we drink 8 to 10 glasses of Why should we drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day? So student, why the water is very essential for our body? So try to understand student, water is not a nutrient. Is it clear? Water is not a nutrient, but water is very essential for our body because it helps in the digestion of food, it helps in the absorption of a nutrients. ठीक है, water is not a nutrient student, but it is very essential for the body because water क्या करता है, it help in the digestion of the food, it absorb nutrients from the food, it circulate nutrient to all parts of the body. ठीक है, it circulate nutrient to all parts of the body, it removes toxins in the form of a urine. ठीक है, it remove toxins from the body in the form of a urine, and there is a secretion of a saliva in our mouth is also due to the water. Is it clear? And see student, when the weather is very hot, then lot of sweat comes out of our body. So what is the reason for that? Reason is that water regulate the body temperature. वाटर क्या है, बॉडी के टेम्परेचर को भी रेगुलेट करता है. ठीक है, हमें इतना स्वेट होता है तो उससे अंदर से हमारी बॉडी क्या रहती है, कूल रहती है. तो दैट इज द रीजन वाटर इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर अस. इज इट क्लियर? दैट इज द रीजन द वाटर इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर अस. एंड वी हैव टू ड्रिंक 8 to 10 glasses of water because as you know that the internal organ name is kidney. It filter waste from the blood in the form of a urine. So that is the reason if you want that your kidney functions properly. ठीक है बेटा, अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपकी किडनी प्रॉपर फंक्शन करे तो इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है बेटा, हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वाटर पीना है. ठीक है, is it clear? That is the reason we should drink 8 to 10 glass of water daily. Note down the answer. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day because water helps in the digestion and absorption of the nutrients of our body. Okay, so student, you can take a screenshot Okay. So student, how does exercise help us to be fit? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है बेटा, हाउ डज एक्सरसाइज हेल्प अस टू बी फिट? फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज हाउ एक्सरसाइज helps us to be fit. So student, in present time and according to the present environment, आज के टाइम में बेटा इतना ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशन, रेट ऑफ पॉल्यूशन इतना इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है, चाहे आप एयर पॉल्यूशन ले लो या वाटर पॉल्यूशन ले लो या लैंड पॉल्यूशन ले लो। तो अगर हमें ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बैलेंस डाइट लेंगे तो ही हम फिट और हेल्दी रह सकते हैं, इसके लिए हमें अपने बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स की एक्सरसाइज भी करनी है। स्पेशली देखो दीज डे मैक्सिमम योगा सेशन चलते हैं, ठीक है, आप लोग के भी स्कूल में डेली योगा सेशन चलता है, ठीक है। बच्चों के संग उतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है एक्सरसाइज की, क्योंकि दे इन्वॉल्व और दे इंगेज देम इन मैनी गेम्स, ठीक है, वो आउटडोर गेम्स भी खेलते हैं, इंडोर गेम्स भी खेलते हैं। बट एक्सरसाइज, वाई एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट? एक्सरसाइज मेक्स आवर माइंड फ्रेश, हमारी बॉडी भी हल्की रहती है, हमारी बोन्स हैं, हमारे मसल्स हैं, हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स क्या होते हैं, इससे स्ट्रांग हो जाते हैं, ठीक है। दैट इज द रीजन एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस। ओके, नोट डाउन। एक्सरसाइज helps us to keep our body fit and healthy. Playing games is a good exercise. Playing game is a good exercise. Which makes our body strong and active. Okay, so see student, how exercise help us to be fit? Exercise help us to keep our body fit and healthy. Playing games is a good exercise which makes our body strong and active. Is it clear? So student, you can take a screenshot. Okay student, thank you.